Software Quality Assurance SQA is in charge of making sure that the software process is really working the way it should. There are 5 main responsibilities for SQA. The first is to define and maintain the software process definition. If the software process is not written down, everyone will have a different idea of what it might be, and you'll never get consistent results. The next responsibility is to train on the process and make sure that everyone understands the process and has the skills they need to play their role in the overall picture. SQA is also responsible for auditing to ensure the process is actually being followed. SQA includes diagnosing issues with executing the process. That involves keeping metrics and diagnosing process-related failures. Finally, SQA is responsible for fixing any process failures, which can include coaching or otherwise intervening to find out what's going wrong with executing the defined process and get things back on track. The anti-patterns for good SQA include allowing process steps to be skipped. SQA is in charge of making sure all the process steps are followed as defined. Another anti-pattern is having nobody tasked with ensuring the process is being followed. While it sounds nice to say everyone has a shared responsibility to follow the process, if there's no one actually tasked with making sure that's happening, eventually it won't happen. A very commonly seen anti-pattern for SQA is spending less than 5 or 6% of the total project effort on SQA. That's about what it takes to staff SQA properly.